Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Canva website to custom domain at 2026. But before you start, you will need to make sure of all of these three things that I'm going to mention right now. So you will need at first to have a Canva Pro account. Like the custom domains don't work on free. And you own a domain like Namecheap, GoDaddy, Hostinger, Google Domains, etc. And your Canva website is already published. So for example, I will go with the Canva website right here, and to create a new one, you will need just to click on that option, okay? So let's just set an example with that empty page or the empty website. So here you will need to click on the share button that's located on the top right corner. All right, and after that just go with the website option on the bottom of the menu. So just click it, and then when you want to click on publish, you will need to fill that blank. It's the site address or URL, right? And to do that, you will need just to enter a domain right here, or you can go with use a custom domain, and that's what we are going to show you in that video. So just click it. So here you will need to connect your domain from a third party, and that's only available on the pro version. You can buy a new domain, and this is the cost of it. And then also you can use or claim a free Canva domain. So just choose that one, then click on continue. So here you will need just to enter the name that you want to be on your website. For example, I will go with an example as my name, okay? And yeah, this domain is not available, so let's add ss, for example, d. So here you can go with claim free domain. Just click it and click on use this domain. So there you go. So right now you can click on publish, and that's it. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.